The starter in the Yukon has just ate shit on me here in the parking lot while I was picking up Oliver. Here, a little closer look at just how much oil this piece of shit leaks.
There's been another fuck up.
Okay, so I found that little metal shield back there was wrong, and there's a nut missing off of that post. I do have a brand new starter for it in the truck, so I'm just gonna throw the bolt nut on it real quick. Okay, so there was a little shield, a metal shield that wrapped around this that had worked its way this way, and it was wiggling on that wire, but the keeper and lock nut had come off of this post. So I ripped that shield off and took the lock nut and washer off of the new starter that I have yet to put in, because that starter is still good. So that's why I keep a fully stocked toolbox. Are you ready to go, cool dude?
Yeah.
All right, let's rock and roll.